The AGA eR7 offers the same fabulous cast iron radiant heat cooking as a traditional AGA, but with the added convenience of capacitance touchscreen technology. This enables you to turn each cooking area on and off as required. To switch the AGA eR7 on, simply touch the main power switch and the manual control will illuminate. The hot plates on the eR7 can be switched on by touching the hob power point. The boiling plate can then be switched on the left and the simmering plate on the right. The boiling plate and simmering plate take 10 to 12 minutes to heat up. Once the AGA hot plates are up to temperature, a solid red circle will display. To switch the hot plates off, simply select the hot plate to be switched off, or alternatively use the main hob power button to switch both off together. With the eR7 in manual mode, each oven can be switched on by pressing the symbol. So we have the roasting oven, the baking oven and the simmering oven. The symbols will blink until the oven is up to the required temperature. The roasting and baking oven temperatures can be altered by using the up and down arrows. On the roasting oven, the R9 setting is suitable for fast grilling as this is a very hot setting. Slightly lower but still a very hot oven is R8 and suitable for roasted vegetables, fast roasting of meat and grilling. If we take it down to R7, this is a hot oven and is suitable for breads, choux pastry, roasting and blind baking. And slightly lower again, R6 is suitable for pastry or pizza, fairy cakes or scones. In addition, the roasting oven can also become a second baking oven by simply pressing the down arrow again until the setting reaches B4. The baking oven temperatures can also be altered by first selecting the baking oven, you see a red selection line appears, and then using the arrows to change to B3, B2 and B1. B1 is a cool baking setting which is suitable for slow braised meat such as salt beef. B2 is a slow cooking setting, ideal for slow roasts, belly pork and ribs. B3 is a moderate low setting suitable for curries, casseroles, cherry or Madeira cake. And B4 is the default setting for the baking oven and is a moderate setting suitable for tray bakes and sandwich cakes. The AGA simmering oven is a very low heat oven ideal for drying meringues and for slow cooking stews and casseroles. It's also ideal for steaming root vegetables or rice that have been brought to the boil on the hot plates first. The ovens will take up to an hour to come up to the correct temperature depending on the setting chosen. With the eR7 in manual mode, to place the three ovens into slumber mode, simply hold the M down for 3 seconds and an S will appear. The symbols of the ovens will blink until the oven is up to the slumber temperature. To switch the ovens off from slumber mode, again hold M down for 3 seconds and the ovens will be switched off. To override the slumber mode and use one of the ovens for cooking, simply select the relevant oven and it will continue to flash until it is up to the required temperature. If the slumber mode is overridden in both the baking oven and the roasting oven, the ovens will no longer be in slumber mode but will have reverted back to manual mode. The default setting for the roasting oven is R8 and the setting for the baking oven is B4. The AGA eR7 is available as either a room vented model or an externally vented model. If you have an externally vented model like this one, simply press the AGA symbol and that will switch on your vent fan. To switch the vent fan off, simply press the AGA symbol again. To switch the AGA ovens off, simply touch the symbol once for the simmering oven and twice for both the roasting and the baking ovens. Alternatively, to switch all areas of your AGA eR7 off, touch the main control button.